guys, I'm Dr. Anubha from Illuminate Minds. This is my second video in this series of modal verbs. Today we are going to talk about will and would. So let's start with will. Will is used to talk about prediction, promise, decision, conditionals, and to give invitation or offer. We'll be looking at each one of them. So let's talk about the prediction. Prediction is to forecast or to make some estimates. For example, in this picture also you can see, I think the stock price will go up today. So we are talking about a forecast of the stock price. Next is the promise. Promise is a kind of assurance to do a particular thing for someone. So here the person is promising to get a cake for somebody else. Next is decision. Decision is a kind of resolution. For example, I am very tired, so I'll take a quick nap. So person is thinking to take a nap because he is tired. Conditionals. Conditionals, here if the weather improves, I'll go to the market. This is about the first conditional where we are talking about a future situation which is quite likely or possible. So I have a separate video on conditionals, you can have a look. Next is the invitation or offer. Invitation is a kind of request, inviting someone to go somewhere or to do something. Here you can see the boss is asking the employee, will you join this company? So actually he is giving an offer. Second part is the would. Would is also used as a past tense of will. It is used to make a polite request, to make a wish. It is also used in the form of conditionals or to show a particular habit. Let's talk about each one of them. As a past tense of will, would is used to talk about a past or a hypothetical situation. In this example, you can see, I knew that he would score the highest marks. So person is imagining about the marks of other person. So that is why we have used would. Would is used to make a wish. I would like to watch this movie. So the person is wishing. So we can use would here. Would is also used to talk about or to make a polite request. As we go in restaurants or somewhere, we say, would you please drop me to the office? Would you please get me this drink? As a habit also, would is used. He would always be seen with a cigarette. So we are talking about habit. Conditionals. Would is also used in the second and the third conditional. So for example, if people complained, things would change. We use the second conditional to talk about the possible result for an imagined situation which is occurring in the present or future. So that situation is actually the unreal situation. In this third conditional form, he would have been very angry if he had seen you. So here would has been used in past conditional to talk about something that actually did not happen. So I have a separate video on conditionals. Please have a look at that. Thank you so much for your patience. We'll meet soon. Bye-bye.